The reality is this. You are not a coach because you bought a Make Money Online program, and the program only teaches you how to resell the course to make money online. You guys think that digital marketing, or a lot of people think that digital marketing is just reselling courses to people that make money online. Let me give you a story on why I'm making this video. Today is Wednesday. Last week, this woman reached out to me on TikTok, right? She said, Alex, I like your no BS type of content. I watch your videos. I'm looking to get started inside this digital marketing world. This woman knew nothing, right? A complete beginner, zero. Didn't know anything about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, zero. Her profile was like, just a regular base, a regular person's TikTok profile. I reached back out to her yesterday. This whole profile has now turned into, she's a Make Money Online coach, teaching people how to make $10,000 a month online. When last week, you were asking me basic-ass questions about affiliate marketing. You were asking me basic-ass, beginner-ass questions. Now you're a coach because you bought Legacy Builder, and Michelle told you that you're a Make Money Online coach and set up your whole profile and, hey, I help people make $10,000 a month. You haven't made $10,000 a month. You just asked me basic-ass questions last week on how this internet shit works, and then you bought a course from this woman or this program, and now your whole profile is set up to, I help people make money online and make $10K a month. Last week you knew nothing, right? Digital marketing and this whole Make Money Online shit is bigger than selling Make Money Online courses to fucking people. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars a day or hundreds of thousands of dollars a month in the dog niche. I go get dog offers and I sell them, I advertise them to people that have dogs. No one knows it's me, right? I'm not on video as a dog trainer saying I'm a dog trainer and then selling dog courses. I just run ads to people that have dogs and say, hey, you have a dog, you might be interested in this new dog food. When they buy the dog food, I make money. I run ads and say, hey, you have a dog, your dog shits in the apartment, here's a online dog training Bible that you can train your dog with. People say, okay, my dog shits in the house, I want to help my dog stop shitting in the house, I need to fix this problem, and they buy the offer. No one knows it's me. I'm not on the internet pretending to be a dog trainer and then selling dog related offers, right? I make hundreds of thousands of dollars with CPA marketing, giving away free stuff. I create ads that give away free stuff. When people put in the name and in the email into webpage form, I make money with the lead gen. No one knows it's me, right? You guys think that digital marketing is just selling a course to make money online. I had to make this video because someone last week reached out to me on TikTok. They said, Alex, I like your no BS type of content. This woman knew nothing. Nothing about the internet, nothing about affiliate stuff, nothing about like all the shit that I do that I explain in my videos. This woman bought a course. Her whole profile changed from a week ago, which was just a basic, a regular person TikTok profile. Now her TikTok profile is, I help people make $10,000 a month online with digital marketing. I'm a coach. Last week you were asking me about basic ass questions. You're not a coach because you bought a Make Money Online course. I made my first $100,000 on the internet and no one knew it was me, right? I was selling dog offers to people that had dogs, right? I make hundreds of thousands of dollars in the student loan niche when I advertise, hey, you have a student loan bill, you want to reduce your student loan bill, call this phone number to get help reducing your student loan bill. When they call that phone number and jump on the phone for 90 seconds, Alex makes money, right? The ads sell the student loan offer to people that have student loans. I'm not on the internet pretending to be a student loan officer and saying, buy my student loan program. I just run fucking ads, right? This internet shit is bigger than buying a make money online course, to resell a make money online course, and to tell people you're a coach when you never made $10,000 a month on the internet, right? The things that I show you are the methods. These are tried and true methods. What I do is I'm an internet marketer. I'm not a course seller. 90% of my money comes from behind the scenes. Yes. Do I sell methods that you guys can learn below? Yes. But the methods are not based on reselling my methods. The methods are based on, these are 5 tried and true methods that will never go out of style. How much money can you make? How much effort are you willing to learn and to implement? Right? I have a dog YouTube channel with 100,000 subscribers on it, with dog-related offers in them. No one knows it's me running the YouTube channel. They just watch the dog content. They go to the description. They see, oh, this is an Amazon store that sells dog-related products. Oh, I have a dog. I'm going to buy some dog food from the Amazon store. Guess who makes money from that? Alex. Oh, I need a new dog bed. Oh, I have a dog. I need a new dog bed. They buy the dog bed and Alex makes money. Oh, I need a new dog leash. Oh, I have a dog. I need a new dog leash. Oh, they go to my Amazon store. They buy the dog leash and I make money. No one knows it's me. You guys are getting this shit confused, thinking that digital marketing is just reselling courses to resell courses to now all you guys are coaches overnight. But this is untrue. If you guys like this video, like the video, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel. But making money on the internet is bigger than buying a make money online course, to resell the make money online course and call yourself a coach and tell people you help people make $10,000 a month online when you never made $10,000 a month online. The methods that I show you can make you zero to hundreds of thousands of dollars a day, because that's exactly what I fucking do, right? I'm the internet marketer guy that runs internet marketing campaigns. The rest of these people are make money online gurus that only sell make money online courses to make money online. 90% of my income is behind the scenes, right? Is behind the scenes. People that buy my products never know it's me, because I'm the internet marketer guy that runs ads to products and people never know it's me. You guys get this shit confused. Like this video, comment below, click the link below. You guys can do whatever you want. 90% of my money does not come from selling my methods. It comes from doing the methods inside what I show you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.